Oh my god, that is stunning. Wow. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Jenny and today I'm going to be testing out the Morphe Going Platinum eyeshadow palette. I did try it once before. I used this shade. I just didn't really love it a whole ton, so today I used this gorgeous silver color. So if you want to see how I use this palette and created this look, make sure you keep on watching. To get started, we're going to prime our eyes. All right, so we're gonna jump in with this shade right here, just on a fluffy blending brush, and put that all over the lid. It's really light layer. On a slightly denser blending brush, we're gonna use this shade here, and put that all throughout the outer corner and crease. On an even smaller, more dense blender brush, we're going to take this shade here. We just want a small amount, so make sure you tap it off. And then just right in that outer corner. Just tap, tap, tap. Back to that medium-sized one that we used. Tap in a little bit and blend. On a little shader brush, we're going to take the medium and the deeper shade right on that lower lash line. And with a little flat shader brush, we're going to use this gorgeous silver color. And then with some water and an old setting spray bottle. Oh my god, that is stunning. Wow. That's insane. And then with that little medium-sized blending brush, we're just gonna kind of go back over those edges. Just make sure everything is blended nicely. For the inner corner, you can bring the silver shade down. I didn't want it to be too much, so I'm gonna use the same highlighter I used on my face, which is the Revolution Set the Tone, which is a white highlighter on the other side of that same brush we used. It's so pretty. For lips, you could go literally any direction with this. So you could do like bold red, a burgundy, you could do a very like brownie nude, more of like a pinky nude, bright pink. Really anything would look absolutely stunning with this look just because it's so neutral and just so gorgeous. But I think I'm gonna do kind of like a nudie pink color. I don't remember the name of this, but it's like a nudie pink from e.l.f. I'm gonna take some of my chapstick off. You could leave it like this even. This is really pretty. I actually really like this, but I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of this gloss. It's the Glow Reviver Lip Oil in Rose Envy. And that's the look complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video, kind of testing out this newer palette, new to me. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. Comment down below any recommendations or suggestions and what you'd like to see from me next. I love you all so much and I'll see you in my next video.